A daily production of over 1,200 3D printed fixed restoration models. It is no big deal. HeyGears automated mass production line. Auto trim and fix models. Auto generate sectioned models. Auto add articulators and labels. AI handles model design, while technicians focus on crown design for subsequent cases. AI restoration model design ready in 1 minute, increasing labor efficiency by over 50%. Layout by case. Auto-connected models and dies. Intelligent scheduling. Cluster management. Real-time monitoring. One-click automation simplifies pre-processing workflow. HeyGears A3D DLP printers. 24/7 automated production. Automated resin refill and part removal. Continuous overnight production. Morning batch collection. A3D automated mass production runs at full capacity with unmanned operation. Automatic matching of the washing process. High volume curing solution. Precise temperature control. Cure 60 models per cycle. OCR recognition technology for rapid sorting. It takes only 5 to 10 seconds to sort one case with one person scanning. A daily production of over 1,200 fixed restoration models is truly no big deal. Streamline your workflow and accelerate your lab production with HeyGears Automation.